Have you ever asked yourself, why is my business not growing? Maybe you have a great product. Maybe your service is excellent. Maybe you've worked harder than your competitor, yet somehow customers still don't come. Today, I want to share something that completely changed the way I look at business. Because sometimes the problem isn't your product, the problem is people don't even know you exist. So grab your coffee and let's have a conversation. One of the biggest mistakes small business owners make is believing this: if my product is good enough, customers will find me. I wish that were true. But in today's world, being good is no longer enough. Every single day, people scroll through thousands of posts, hundreds of videos, countless advertisements. Your biggest competitor isn't another business, it's attention. If people never see your business, they will never have the chance to buy from you. That's why marketing isn't about convincing people. Marketing is about becoming visible. I've noticed something. Many small business owners spend months improving their product, but only minutes telling people about it. They redesign their logo. They change their packaging. They wait for the perfect camera, the perfect office, the perfect website, the perfect moment. But while they are waiting, someone else is posting, someone else is learning, someone else is building trust. Perfection doesn't build businesses, consistency does. Let me share three things that silently destroy business growth. The first is fear: fear of criticism, fear of making mistakes, fear of looking inexperienced. Here's the truth: people are too busy living their own lives to spend much time judging yours. The second enemy is inconsistency. One post today, nothing for 3 weeks. Then another post. Business doesn't grow that way. Trust is built through consistency. The third enemy is waiting. Waiting for more money, waiting for better equipment, waiting until you feel ready. But confidence rarely comes before action. Confidence usually comes after taking action. So, what should you do? Keep it simple. Show up, teach something useful, solve one problem, answer one question, help one person. Then do it again tomorrow. You don't need millions of followers. You need people who trust you. Because trust creates customers. Customers create businesses. Businesses create impact. Before we end, I want to leave you with one thought. Don't measure your success by today's numbers. Measure it by today's obedience to your goal. Every video you create, every lesson you share, every customer you serve, every day you refuse to quit. You're building something. Maybe you can't see it yet, but brick by brick, video by video, conversation by conversation, You're building a business people can trust. And one day, someone will call you an overnight success. They will never see the hundreds of quiet days when you choose to keep going. That's where success is really built. Thank you for joining me today. If this conversation gave you a new perspective, please subscribe to Victor Digital. Share this video with someone who's building a business. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It happens one decision, one customer, one coffee conversation at a time. I'll see you in the next coffee conversation.